Okay, so we're doing the drinking bird, but obviously we can't touch it because it'll mess it up. But the drinking bird puts its head in and drinks water. And when it comes back up, it's got anyway. But the drinking bird is a heat engine that exploits a temperature differential to convert heat energy to a pressure differential with the device implemented in the mouth. So I think it would probably start with motion. Probably because it keeps going up, and then it goes to heat.
Boys and girls, you cannot record until you've written down your energy transfers.
And then, yeah.
What did you do?
Well, what are the motions again? I mean, energy, motion to heat.
There's one on the floor.
Maybe a lamp. Don't touch it. So do you think motion and heat's wrong now, or well, style might be no. I think motion and heat would be behind. Alright, well thank you for listening, and this is your dream.